Welcome to Diamond Solutions for Mathematics. Here we are discussing a particular type of question from functions of 12th standard, class 12. This type of questions we can expect in the board exam. Let us see. Let A equals R minus set 3, B equals R minus set 1. If f such that A maps B be defined by f of x equals x minus 2 by x minus 3 for every x belongs to A, then show that f is bijective. That is, this function is a bijective function. Bijective function means a function which is 1 1, at the same time it is on 2, then the function is agreeing 1 1 condition and on 2 condition, then we can say the function is bijective function. Let us check this function to be 1 1 and on 2. How we can check it? Let us see. Given A equals R minus set 3. That means all real numbers we can consider, but 3 is avoided. And B equals R minus set 1. That is, all the real numbers except 1 can be considered for B. And F such that A maps B defined by f of x equals x minus 2 by x minus 3 for every x belongs to A. For 1 1, we can check the function to 1 1. Let f of x1 equals f of x2 for x1 and x2 to be any real numbers. Therefore, x1 minus 2 by x1 minus 3, that is f of x1, equals x2 minus 2 by x2 minus 3, that is f of x2. f of x1 equals f of x2. Then cross multiplying x1 minus 2 into x2 minus 3, that is x1 minus 2 into x2 minus 3, equals x2 minus 2 into x1 minus 3, that is x2 minus 2 into x1 minus 3. By breaking the brackets, x1 x2 minus 3 into x1 minus 2 into x2 plus minus 2 into minus 3 plus 6 equals x1 x2 minus 3x2, x1 x2 minus 3x2 minus 3 into x2, minus 3 into minus 2 becomes plus 6, minus 2, minus 3x2 minus 2x1 minus plus 6, x1 x2 minus 2x1 minus 6, that is 3x2 minus 6, x1 x2 minus 3x2 minus 2x1 minus 2 into minus 3 plus 6, that is x1 x2 minus 3x2 minus 2x1 plus 6. That is plus 6 and plus 6 cancels here, x1 x2 and x1 x2 cancels here. Therefore, minus 3x1 minus 2x2 and minus 3x2 minus 2x1 remains here. Minus 3x1 minus 2x2 equals minus 3x2 minus 2x1. Minus 3x1 plus 2x1. x1 terms are transposed to SLHS equals minus 3x2 plus 2x2. Therefore, here results minus 1x1 equals minus 1x2. Minus 1 and minus 1 cancels, therefore x1 equals x2. That result we got. Therefore, we can conclude that this function f of x1 equals f of x2 is 1 1. 1 1 function, these two. this function. F of x is 1, 1. Next, we are going for the check of f for on 2. Let y equals x minus 2 by x minus 3. Therefore, x minus 2 into y by 1, 1. That is x minus 2 equals y into x minus 3. That is xy minus 3y. X minus xy equals 2 plus 2 minus 3y. That is taking x common here, x into 1 minus y equals 2 minus 3y. That is x equals 2 minus 3y by 1 minus y. That is x equals 3y minus 2 by y minus 1. Taking minus common outside, 3y minus 2 by y minus 1. Clearly, x belongs to R minus set 3. That is given here. However, y belongs to R minus set 1. Therefore, range is codomain. Why? Because range of f of x equals R minus set 1. Range. X belongs to R minus set 3. Y belongs to R minus set 1. Therefore, range is codomain. Here, codomain is x. Therefore, f of x is on 2. From this, we can conclude that f of x is on 2. Thus, f of x is a bijective function. We can conclude. Don't forget to subscribe Diamond Solutions for Mathematics 4. All type of questions for board exam.